Hello everyone, this is Sean Heather, and in this video we are going to do a benchmarking test comparison between Xiaomi Redmi 13 and Tecno Spark 20 Pro 5G smartphones. So we will see which device is going to be better in terms of benchmarking test score results, hardware specs, and how much difference we are going to get in terms of daily usage. So here we go. So these are the benchmarking applications we got today here on our devices. So first of all, let's start with AnTuTu benchmark. So here you can see that Spark 20 Pro 5G scored 421,031 and Xiaomi Redmi 13 scored 286,780. So the winner is Tecno Spark 20 Pro 5G, as it is scoring nearly 40% more points compared to what we are getting on Redmi 13. If we go to the individual test score result, here you can compare the result of CPU, GPU, memory and UX, and as you can see, in all of these four, performance of Tecno Spark 20 Pro 5G is better compared to Redmi 13. So let's go back from here to the next test. That's going to be the 3D Mark. This is a GPU benchmarking test, so it's going to give you the idea about the gaming capability of the device. So this test is divided in multiple parts. First of all, let's start with wildlife. So in this, Spark 20 Pro 5G scored 1327 and Redmi 13 scored 733. You can also have a look on the average FPS generated, that is 7.95 on Spark 20 Pro 5G and 4.39 on Redmi 13. So in wildlife, the winner is Tecno Spark 20 Pro 5G. If we go back from here to the wildlife extreme, and this Spark 20 Pro 5G scored 370 and Redmi 13 scored 190. So once again, the winner is Spark 20 Pro 5G. Now if we go to the Steel Nomad Lite, in this Spark 20 Pro 5G scored 149 and Xiaomi Redmi 13 scored 78. So as we can see in all of these tests, Tecno Spark 20 Pro 5G is scoring nearly twice of what we are getting on our Redmi 13. Now if we go to the Slingshot, in this Spark 20 Pro 5G scored 3651 and Redmi 13 scored 1732. So once again, the winner is Spark 20 Pro 5G. And once again, you can have a look on the average FPS generated by both of these smartphones. So now it's time for Slingshot Extreme. In this, Spark 20 Pro 5G scored 2769 and Xiaomi Redmi 13 scored 1278. So in all of these 5 tests of 3D Mark, performance of Tecno Spark 20 Pro 5G is way better compared to Xiaomi Redmi 13. It is scoring nearly twice of what we are getting on Redmi 13, and because of that, we can easily guess that the gaming performance of Spark 20 Pro 5G is going to be way better compared to what we will get on our Xiaomi Redmi 13. Now it's time for the last test for today, and that's Geekbench 6. This test is divided in CPU and GPU, and the CPU test is divided in single core and multi-core. So the Tecno Spark 20 Pro 5G scored 772 in single core, 2069 in multi-core, while Redmi 13 scored 413 in single core and 1433 in multi-core. So once again, the winner is Spark 20 Pro 5G. Now if we go to the GPU test, in this Spark 20 Pro 5G scored 1423 and Redmi 13 scored 577. As you can see here, one of the tests was not completed, so I can assume that there will be more points earned by Redmi 13 if that test was fully completed, but I don't think it would be close to 1423. So once again, we can assume that the winner is Tecno Spark 20 Pro 5G. So when it comes to performance, the Spark 20 Pro 5G is going to be better compared to Redmi 13, even though both of these devices, they come with nearly same price tags. So if you want performance and better gaming experience on your smartphone, then the Tecno Spark 20 Pro 5G is going to be better value for money for you for sure. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.